Today I'm showing you how to blend up the perfect pesto sauce that tastes good and will brighten up your meals. So I have some Parmesan in my Fresh and Save container, and I'm gonna start with this in my ZWILLING Personal Blender cup. So I'm using kind of a classic pine nut today. Next we need some garlic, and then I'm gonna add in some good quality olive oil, some basil, and fresh parsley. Okay, so now we're gonna put the top on with the blade, and we're gonna put this on the pulse setting and watch it do its magic. Even though this blender is small, it is mighty. I can either seal it in a Fresh and Save container like this one, or what I can do is use the vacuum lid. All I have to do is just put on the vacuum sealable pump and then pop it in the freezer or in the fridge for later. Head over to zwilling.com to check out all the great blenders they have available. And remember to like this video and subscribe to the ZWILLING YouTube channel for more great recipe hacks.